Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. Say, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are.
Busia aseda ayodia se ebremu wanya kwan waje kwan waje bre ene me eba betena ewo dwumadi so yefem oreku frimpon mene wo eba betena do hwe menu edi anim between 4 and 6 p.m. UK time or GMT na yeba bedi enkomo ewo mremu ene yen asetena titru ewo UK ha Many BWF Solicitors in 24 and AD Jumay BWF Solicitors Award 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so Seven Sisters North London. Now we Juma Monday to Friday fee anopa 9:30 kusi and 6 o'clock. And Juma and Oye. We allow for an MTA eba emremu and comodia ahodo ni nyina. May come for amount say and BWF Solicitors any and common BWF Solicitors Stefan Immigration say a funnel family lawyer our dear divorce. Efa wo nationality, efa nsema yede court appeals ni applications ahodo ni nyina. Fakuja BWF Solicitors. Now we di hojuma de and I will say yes. For our baby BWF Solicitors. Where lawyer for more akukudampa. One telephone number near 0208 493 7340. Missing number also 0208 493 7340. BWF Solicitors say what do we want a batawa to say asobwa our family yonko kotokro and Castro Rada. And also getting comobebre bro na emo de hear me pa aye titu aye was sitting ewo UK ha. Do maybe na your mount limited leave to remain 2.5 years, 2.5 years. You see, be called 5-year route, it be called 10-year route. Messi ana mama sa route no ayetiatia because 10-year route no meko 2.5 sa maybe. But metini ama aba 5 years. Nanka instead of 4 no mako 2 ana. Na se makokra dun finfin kwan be so no mesan asan machi na metimi akọ 5 na awie ntam because se wotie na wo hwemu pa ye say kwancha de efe ni nyina e diska na eye enti how do I even go through some of these things to reduce the amount of money I pay for my application and all the other things and I think so kwan na emetimi aye sa application no bigiri yes pe se ubenya emu chichiremu enti ase enti Titna now fe yinyina yenko ye live ewo Facebook BWF Solicitors live ewo YouTube ewo BWF Solicitors and I think so live ewo PAM TV so live about our radio so here in the UK and nina actually no me show pick link na wa share on your platform, say your Facebook platform, say YouTube platform, and our WhatsApp group, any all the other groups you belong to. Fatum na obi enyebi na untie. Wati atan say all over the world. There will be for Germany, Holland, Belgium, Ghana, any we are munina me mamo akwaba. Ebi your friend will reku make I will say many BWF Solicitors. And aiding in Komwe. Now, meba, be introduce resource person for today. Now, and then obeche near man so pa. Make I said you are no yet the BB at your platforms a hold one also. Now, ibisa will say, men can say, but me cover all these and more on the program, the community and the world.
Ye fema ye wo London. Ya jia basobodie bebre. Ne ya redare ewo mranse mu. Eye legal services, BTC family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWFDA, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penimpa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi ti se child care eye abofrahwe mu awarja ye ho twuma mentwe ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma so. Yen child care any family team no nim nia wo famu ewe ni ya wo brei mu ɛno nti ne yɛto yɛn bo ase ma wafoto a ɛsɛ fata ɛwɔ kokoa mu. Yɛn senior partner ɛyɛ obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agyina to mu na ɔsan so yɛ member na kyerɛ sɛ ɛba no sɛ yɛgyina w'akyi ɛretwitwa agyew ɛwɔ family ɛne matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw koraa. Wopɛ advice ɛwɔ immigration nsɛnsɛm ho. Wɔ BWF Solicitors deɛ, yɛn immigration team no abredare ɛwɔ general immigration ho nsɛmsɛm kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho ntotoyɛ ɛne entry clearance visas, family visas ne appeals. Yɛn senior partner ɛyɛ member na wasan gyina tom ɛwɔ Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Nti sɛ yɛtae w'akyi a wonni haw koraa. Yɛbie yɛn office free dwada ekosi fiada anɔpa nɔnkron pɛɛ mu ekosi enumere nonsia ɛyɛ 9:30 AM kosi 6 PM ɛna memeneda nso ɛyɛ appointment nkoa free anɔpa nondu ekosi ewia nɔnan ɛyɛ 10 AM kosi 4 PM. Yɛwɔ 4th floor ɛwɔ Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sɛ wonnante free 7 Sisters Underground nso a ɛyɛ kwan tiaa bi. Yɛn senior partner Bernard Owusu san yɛ barrister yɛagyina to mu na ɔyɛ Ghana Bar Association member ɛna wasan gyina sɛ mmaranimfoɔ ɛwɔ court cases a ɛfa Ghana law ho. Wɔ advise local authorities, official solicitors office ne solicitors bebree ɛfa Ghanaian law ho yie. Na ɔsan yɛ obi a ɔtae kasa ɛwɔ radio ɛne TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.
Sisi a me hear me phone so obi a send me a very interesting message or say I'm thinking of switching from 5-year route to 2.5. You better give me all the filler. And you know me so me invite to say Momodia says Sabre Ubetumrika na or joining in live our Facebook, or joining in live our YouTube. Nina BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors you were 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so. But you can bo mania na me come for ama okay page no so no I like page no na fi wa subscribe na fi wa send your comments your comment page no and I said platform no so Facebook and YouTube. Very soon as we said and I mentioned earlier on last week, yeah, the BW Radio so eba na yeah program then you'll be live on BW Radio as well. And very soon we will be looking into that. Tili Duma Gina Duse Dokasadum Nana Jimai Ekuya Dion and Afe Busianfo joining yina Yakoso Eda Mwase. Thank you so very much for joining us. Me Bowamania se and Jimedi Sabe Yamenkwa and me dear mini Openi Ebi Efri BWF Solicitors Asweye and Ia Babidi Jimei Ono Enemy special guest and resource person and Yei Awo Jimedi so now Ono any lawyer Charles Asmah or ye lawyer Awo BWF Solicitors. Lawyer Charles Asmah ebe boying ene ama yenkomo no atimi akoye pa na se obase ya na metaka se unse on the otise teacher nti o cheche niema no methodically na afei nso so wade share his communication experience anything come for Emma obi se omra no me ene betra sanso so na your lawyer for awodo no nyina ewa akira omoboye chidom eboaboye nsisi adwumadi ade emman se ade ebebrewo ebio yefrem Reku Frimpon na mami ebisa wo se yeka bibi at se surrogacy and se yawo abofra bi through another or for a year from one. I want asem etosay na ekwan be so ne fampo ede adijuma ewo yen asetnemo applications ne ade ahodo ewo UK ha na the BWF Solicitors ede my joada say yendwendwere ho na afi obekire yemu nso ebi ene say a child born to commissioning surrogate parents who are British citizens otherwise than by descent may be a British citizen under section 2(1) of the British Nationality Act of 1981. However, under English law, being a mother is the status given to the person who undergoes the physical and the biological process of being pregnant, carrying and giving birth to a child which may affect nationality of the child. British Nationality Act of 1981 and omotu ede abrɛ na sɛ wohwɛ ne sei ne bi a wo kenkan wakoto wɔ internet so wagugu no hu saa de wi anase wo read legal material bi na wokohia saa de wi wanhwe ana ɛbere wɔ ne so adenti na meka ne saa say a surrogacy or say a child born to commissioning surrogate parents who are British citizens otherwise than by descent may be a British citizen under section 21 of the British Nationality Act of 1981. In case you nanka no because Mawodia say me a Britisher nka me ban so thinking be a British. But what share English law no mun so or say obi a ye mame anaso ofo no. Ne Gina Breno Yadema Abofrano who undergoes the physical and the biological process or Yadema or Nipa, you can say what fight your flu, a war no one year from now, say watch my one idea, and yet me couldn't spare my na say me the Mebajo Akoma will be say on shed no one yet a warner and mammy. Then there's a confusion. And team, I mean, lawyer Charles Asmah, lawyer, sanity.
Yo, that's a very I'm saying we the born on top of area near the tier for no for you say our classroom and Quebec is a way of starter activity. So we are preparing our thoughts for what is to come. You you share the rules governing surrogacy. Surrogacy a Bruni Kasa a big word, but Nina say we pay a warning when you're a war na we are a bar no mumukunu dear ninsuno. Etumi ejinaba santi wofa wukunu no so na yapa oba foforo a one de awode no bibia entwechima wo ho na wafasa nimpa foforo no so na wodi nya akwala nti yede bema no nsuo ekọ nimpa foforo oba foforo ni kosua no enho a na akwala etumi epi na che say yehwemu a obi bia ontumi enwo no onye se odi abubo se mintumi enwo se akwan ewo ho nti nipa miensa na ewa ha se ma me no a ontumi enwo because no ngese ne yefunu ntumi nkare oba na papa no a ne hunsuo etumi egina no ene oba foforo no a ye gina no so enya akwala no nti ye gina oba foforo so enya akwala no na ye frɛ no the process of surrogacy no Natural say bema no ehunsuo ayede ma oba foforo na say ye wo akwala na ye bisa ye ho say sa akwala we ya wo ni ehi ena ofi nti ye behwe awofo no bebi a wofi edi kan awofo no yehwemu aye miensa maame na ontumi wo no obi foforo na ogina akwala no we ni yefunu a ode awo akwala na amanye no na papa no a ye fa no hunsuo edinya akwala no Papa no ye fa no hunsuo no enya akwala no bebi a ofi no ebeto akwala no eso esensa maame no a ontumi enwo no ye hwemu a ono no onimu bi tina che say third maame no a ye gina no sunya akwala no ono na wa carry akwala no woni yefunu mu na amra no say has undergone the physical and the biological process of carrying the baby entina ye hwemu a amra no say under the rules of nationality no British Nationality Act 1981 no we share section 21 about cultural say yawo akwala ne saa parents no sa the time no a yawo akwala no omo ye British citizen dia ebe akwala no begina parent no so e dey enya ebi ntina just say papa no a ne hunsu ye de ya ade no so a British citizen a o de bakata ne ba no eso Number maame no a no onwo ne de because ono no onim no bi no because ye case law titi no a obaka kire wo se ye hwe nipa wawo akwala na ngasa de a ende na eye maame na o carry akwala no 9 months ma akwala no enyin wo ne yem ene se ni wumbu mu a akwala no ba ewiase no enti papa yi ewo British nationality de a o de bekata ne ba no so Maame no a okare akwala no enso ne owo no edebakata akwala no eso. Enti these are the technical areas in terms of nationality no. Enti se ye hwe na ye koye sa de eye se ye beye na ehia papa say obia betumi efasa akwanya no so na enya akwala say ko be say natural no oba no ntumi enya ne dia na say papa no ntumi enya ne dia na mbom ne ehia no ne say nationality a parent no ewo no ene na ebekọ ama akwala no a ya wo no.
Let us say the tintinity mu and say say ekobana say ubasa uko through sadiana and this how dwindwini p because there's a way around it when timi anye kra na lawyer for ewo ha obetimi ede ho dwuma ede amount ene na me kanfo ede amount bibia say me ye na maye and me nyanye enenam nti bomodi ase ode wo bebata BWF Solicitors ewo 214-218 Tottenham High Road, North London, Seven Sisters. Over trainer, we see what Seven Sisters train station now. Where you exit number 2. Now wako pie a year a daya watcher anymore and a house. Ofro kosro 4th floor, a ho ena or more ewo. Your answers are there, your solutions are there, the best of lawyers are there, and of course you have your peace of mind when you get to BWF Solicitors. My counsel so and no law firm, a Ghana law firm, you Ghana chocolate and coffee. Na watimi ehun se ho ato wadru fie BWF Solicitors and eboyema ye dey the community and the law dey brewo mehu se ye wo ye nua Gasco Godfred Gabriel Dodu. Good afternoon, everyone. Udini Modupa. Wumpini Adams Abaso, Wumpini Ewo and Cry, so that was say ye wo yenia Abna Ativo, Abna Yami in show. Cassandra Kwansa, Yami in show. I think for the past couple of weeks you've been very constant. God bless you and keep sharing the page for us. So so and ye wo ya Opokwa Jima and say welcome everyone. Nanajima, please share. Yes, Nanajima and class prefect inti or Kasa share na I will say ubia ediso na you share page no into kodru page no so you pick up the link, put it on your platform, share it amongst all your groups na amanfo so enya so mfa so because enkoma ye de ebro no enkoma edimu ye pa na ebetimi aboa obi bia and then me bisa say eden and I will consider when you are switching between the two routes. You were 10-year route and a 5-year route. Why cry and a faster route? So say, may apply some about tonight you can. I didn't see and I was say, yeah, your mommy 2.5. Na me 5-year route. Your mommy 2.5. Now they are 10-year route. Who are those and why the categories? And a whole angel say at the same na. Say you me one route to so I meet me switch it to another route and now say at the same all leading to my indefinite stay here in the UK. Bet me cover my busia for me member and my busia what Ghana and now say at the same. And no ena me de brewo and breno so bet me sending a text and now say WhatsApp your mobile number no so 07950 422780 07950 422780 and now say over 0208 123 1016 0208 123 1016 and as a mobile number no cry no ubetimi afreyin e was so comment no uja or in Facebook page and I say a YouTube page no so we'll pick that up and also share with ye what ye na lawyer so e wo nimdie eni hye hunu say wo question ade bebia no obeyi ano e de amount enti senia idi kan ye no yam call into the classroom. Meet our lecturer, meet our resource person, na fe and komono, yemfa and shisha so. Lawyer, bacho. Anenti ena wase ubi wa yetimi emano 5-year route, 10-year route. Yana edru maybe yaka yenim, but yeme say it doesn't have to be so. I didn't think it was yeme binim 2.5 years. He had enough for 5-year route, so Obi Ohan had enough for 10-year route. So Chechen yen so.
Yo, me that's be brave, Brakeku. I hope stay with you now.
Obi omo here pa, and
why come on?
Sa almost say me abako krentim pesa me dane mo. Right, that's it. Yo,
it's here for ne ahwefo ye da obi biara ase. And then so embrace for community and the law program. The fact we so each year ebusia I war BWF Solicitors I say I am Papa Uncle Ben and that I know and that akoba ase bebre say ogusu emanya platform say yanso nyame be fa yanso aye blessing ama others. Also all your CTAs, Santi, and then in the panel, we are looking at switching from one route to another when it comes to leave to remain in the UK. And there are technically two key routes. Some will receive 10-year route, as others will be put on the 5-year route, depending on meeting the specific criteria. Now, we are looking at the distinction between the two. The first aspect that we have to look at is the rules. We have Appendix FM to the immigration rules, and that shows a cover in your ma as a caseworker no eshe, so be the application a bar for consideration for leave to remain one. Now, you share your two key requirements. Your suitability requirement and eligibility requirements. Suitability need there covers everybody or character. You say usubano and ya shum. Na case where can I say usubano inti ebia ya juut na my more embwa. Na just say suitability no. Na eba eligibility no ya be share in your mama kumienu bi. Edi kan no ya be share say wo sika wetumi da hwe wo ho eye financial requirement no. We ye adwuma wetumi da hwe wo ho na enkwaba say obeye or how ato aban eso IFN or public fund no afina obepe bi. So you have to prove say you are able to maintain yourself and family members. Then you look at relationship wujina so edi aye application no. Nti dodo no will make application as parents or partners or even children who are dependent on their parents. It must will make application on their own private life. Then we look at accommodation. Fiena utimuno, is it spacious enough to me abua mamuti ifia wano na enkofa public health concerns emba under the Housing Act 1985 no. Nti the government seeks to avoid overcrowding. Santi obesha say the idea man wan say baby a wotina no kra no ye okay na enkobesa afi na obepe baby ewa aban enchen.
Okay.
Now ya share maintenance. Now maintenance no ye shemu a it stems from the financial requirement.
Okay.
But obi o ma na onye ejuma enso na bia aban na ede ewa no.
Okay.
And so obi o ma ye ejuma enso na sika na eba no bia na endorse. Nti ehɔ no yeah, now even though you share 18,600 no, under the specific maintenance rules no so no, ebesha say nya eba no will it be enough under the government standard no, I'm say aboso sa pen will it be enough say betumi aso na watchi and I say bosomi eno. Nti say support kwa na wonye fi aban ho a and I say few hours bi na we ya the besha say any maintenance threshold no okay ana. Now you share English language.
Okay.
Your ability to speak and read English with.
And the lawyer meji wa no see you nti say you can English language say obetimi express so ho obetimi di nkomo ene ade no. Eno obetimi determine say you be mo akotan year route and say ne be akọ.
Good. Nti ne ya boss ni nyina no a ubo mo obeka wo de kan say frame. FRAME. You share financial requirements, relationship requirements, accommodation that you have to prove, maintenance, and English language, you know. So we take it all data, then you merit the 5-year route concession, you know, 2.5 under the 5-year route, because more or less, you know, one a wo baji. And ye share in humobro bisu ye amao.
Okay.
So you meet all the requirements. And once you meet all the requirements, you more or less on merit. You merit what you are seeking. Now, some requirements no be anywhere. The question is, under normal circumstances, I say a refusal under normal circumstances. But will it be reasonable under the circumstance for you to be refused? So we look at human rights concerns, family matters, children involved, Article 8. and all that, private life and
Article
all
8
that.
ne sa human rights no.
Yes, so
Okay.
Article 8 under the Human Rights Act no. Nti you share and no you ever say all right because we meet now there are other concerns ebe here say ye ji utum no. You found to 5-year route no, so because you don't deserve
You deserve that. Okay.
But we give you the concession and as a discretionary
Nti ye be hu mobo.
a humobro route.
Okay.
10-year route.
Aha.
I don't know you're
Quite tinting.
But and after all, and the normal thing you don't deserve it. But your mouth will be there and there. I say okay when you answer. Answer we to me adjuvatum afiball.
Nti obi a ya man 10-year route na che say ayi criteria obobo so no bia na ba kwa na me
Very
bi
good.
ennim
Good.
eno sa na o se o yen kase yem fam ma but yem mo ahumobro jikodi di kakra na tena mu tentente
Good.
Okay.
Na say kobase.
unya de wo anya no a
Because every 2.5 years we call your renewal. Into we call your 2.5 extension after first one and I say kobase afi the way meeting na then you can switch.
okay
Now switching on na hano ya should be or call application no based on long residence in the UK, 20-year life residence in the UK. Nini ya keka home kwala dia 7 years na dia. And then you from private life no. Nti ya show more ya family life and ya private life.
okay
Nti ya FLRFP, family and private life. Nti private life no say you mobro na ya say what's no chrome hatche nti ya dey ma dia automatically no nyama bi you don't deserve nti mobro na ya dey ma
okay
nti sa automatic mobro no you go under the 10-year route and then say wetin aso
akosi
aha
nti se wanya de na wahwere a ye de ma jikodi di kakra no a de wo se wotwa 10 years de nyina nti metiasia se obi mfa nse we twa the first 2.5 na de na wanya no from the beginning will be nya no at the end of the 2.5 na ko renew na ye beti ateso ma no
nti sa nipa no a nti sa nipa your application as either parent or partner.
okay
And that's a be a child cry. Now, at the time of first application, no, na requirement ni bi omo eni ho. Dodo no it will be finance and I say English language. Accommodation there, most people are able to sort it out.
okay
Nti say ko say in a relationship so there you are able to prove birth certificate ni marriage certificate na there. So this is the family member.
okay
But be na we sika nusa. Nti we meet in financial requirement no.
okay
And also English proficiency no so and do and go any went me in B1 test no. And now 1 year you are not 65 years plus. I because say when you into your exemption. And that's a 1 year Arabia went me trust exam no. And say we need exemption. Na your exemption there then you should have the English language. Unless say be a what na chrome ha ako school could do investing so that can also be as an exemption point. Yes, idea say as I say we hear English language now we try up to be 1 level. Now say be a nipa we time okoye application no na amana dream so okoye English no. So automatically time no permitting the so bukwa before the year extension and so start it. And now so say wa but when to me I then enya for good reasons we need English language no. That's just a requirement in who meet it.
okay
So automatically, even though you make your application, omo de kono omo hwemu a omo ye tick box exercise new year omo say okay we nya way so until we put you
on that
on the 10-year route.
Okay.
Because of what we call Gen 3.2 under the rules, any exceptional reasons now why you betimi consider na ye do ato 10-year route no.
enti se o ye do to 10-year route no so na se bia utu half no kra nso na bi utimi meet me mfa say English language and also financial requirement utimi meet within the 2.5 na ubetimi akọ straight away na woni won akodi ho nkomo anasa je se wotwen
Ne woman is say your mouth 2.5 wa as I say we kura kwesi time wise as say we extension.
okay
Emrane say ade no enwu a untumi nsesa unless there are exceptional circumstances.
okay
But before obesisa na so be renew no the last 28 days no udi be wie no na udi betum.
okay
That is the starting point. In the starting point we be having a damn more wait assessment. I was having they may meet all the criteria no and kind of some of the first one. Into me quite start for fra. The thing is quite start for fra. You can start to all over again anyway.
Okay.
And see, we try 2 years, 2.5 years no we be no our way extension no now I switch it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And see, you show more because the way you know beginning no. You demand one half the war to two and your ma to prepare.
At least what they try with 2.5 first one.
To switch.
Okay.
So English na issue when you say NTB 2.5 year baby. And this am I going to continue under the 10-year or I would want to switch.
English and I'm fairly back when no and I meet me again several times.
English in the you book and write. I'm going to say we driving theory test. You book and write.
Now English na with as one make the assembly bands ko free pon meka. Yes wash our say brofo ni bia na. And now say your brofo particularly bia was
speaking and listening exercise. They want to test your proficiency in speaking, proficiency in reading, proficiency in listening. And sometimes a practical scenario. Yeah, they are mao.
What your example be? Practical scenario to say.
You see, the whole thing is functionality.
Okay.
How to function.
So be ya
functional skills paya.
Ubetimi Africa offer train. Ubetimi auto ticket. Ubetimi akot shop akota de ne ade. We share police ni ubetimi bisa na say my ira ubetimi akire me.
And this be a more scenario be say John Airport Market. To we be obi no oka and I say audio and na utie. So they are testing your listening skill.
Okay.
And John Airport Market. Market no ewo a beer 5 meter radius and I say 5 miles away or whatever. Among some pointers. This I say there are 3 stops ewo kind so. It's just an example. 3 stops were kind so. Na stops no as I said John Eyusu bus in other copy bia all kono. And John the first stop no bus or no be could do baby all kono. Second stop no bus or no be could do ba in the exact place as I said bia or train on 90. Ya ma was scenario no be a say which of the 3 stops na John enko find a bus. Into way you know at least also to me drink kakra. It's a common sense we be drink kakra. At the same time we to me express so e wo brofo because I brofo kasa.
Okay.
It is what you see and you say okay, where should John pick the bus? So to make us say John can pick the bus at bus stop 1 because that is the place the stop that the bus will take him to the exact destination. Let's just say what's in your what kind I say. Wait to me e wo brofo. Speaking and listening.
Kakra would debate it on
because B1 level no and high level.
Now and I was how cut said the crew had for Cabrofo and now say who accent to be out could be able to
you test accent. You test expression. And you come going and provided you can speak. And
you
for the brain to me eka profo. And na omubohu kakra ho no a no anye big deal bia.
Okay.
You have to say ISO English for speakers of other languages ISO school and colleges now there. You better know how to communicate at the simplest level, how to greet, how to do this, how to do that. Internally na ye dey ahihia ye dey better stay with a hono. Inti enono enye idea adwin bebre. Until say ukuta English language ukuta degree you see then you don't have to
because any dey wapa ho kra.
They could do degree level there. There's no point.
Me beba na ma bebisa lawyer say metimi emiti sa criteria no within the period the bia ma me first idea no na hia se mekọ 10-year route tintin no so a kwan ben so na mefa aye eden ene wo se mehunu de na wo se menya hu secretary etesen Yen topic I can or say switching from 10-year route to the 5-year route. What do you have to consider? Lawyer Charles Asmah or lawyer ni BWF Solicitors yen chen or no and odi jumedie no amay or chitre yemu. And unti meji will question meji will concern no yen text number no so 07950 422780 07950 422780 anase ubefre 0208 123 1016 0208 123 1016. Sa text number na akasa so betimi afre 07950 422780. Na me wo very good news ade ema obibia. Na me kasa share page na share na mecha wade. Afino ebe kone ye unim se BWF Solicitors afino ekone ye ya yene clients, listeners, viewers nyina etimi edi juma ema ekoye covid by na yentimi enye yen face to face gathering no but I feel the person me ye na last week me che obi t-shirt now management and impending for BWF Solicitors ede aba se woba page no so say ye YouTube say ye Facebook now share. We have statistics that come to our back office. Who say nipa sumesi o share no 20 times. Nipa sumesi o share no 100 times. Me what nipa miensa at the end of the year. Mecha mwade. And I'm going to give each person a check of £200. Each person obe share dodo pa between now and the end of the year. Obe share dodo pa no. I am going to give 3 of such people £200 each. The 3 best sharers, £200 each. Now, I'm going to give special mention to Nelson Arthur. Nelson Arthur, thank you very much. You share now, you commenting on all our programs and videos. Thank you so very much. Nana Jimaya class prefect, so yeah, that was say. Doka Sadom, any Tili Duma, any Dodo Ekahoni. Now the competition is on. And I will be rewarding you. 3 of you, £200 each. Well, that's just by the by. Mami say Emra lawyer Charles Asmah. So lawyer Charles Asmah. Obobone ni so ya dey atre say akoba ne say metimi meet criteria no. Enya ne nyina. I was thinking dem to 5-year route no. So me try me first 2.5. But then metimi switch every 10 years no about 5 years no so.
Yo, that's the brave. Anti near a woman no a very, very important patriot for my anti a hano a Ayani again say you switch here a carry over and as a carry forward. No. You restart the journey. This which are 2.5 or 10-year route no so. Now we say me pesa metina I have say until me move you to the 5-year zone no so a new application and I will be under that one we meet a once rules until we meet near the auto swa or the chassis until the time race starts. Just a which are 2.5 dada and no ashiegu. Which are 5 years or 10 no so dada and no ashiegu. So you have to be very, very careful when to switch.
Okay.
At best, you will lose 2.5
years.
The worst case scenario is that we try 2 times. 10 years, so now we switch it. Was 2 or 5 years, so then we be 10 BM. Then you could have stayed on the 10.
Okay.
And the example
is that time I would be switching it. And the main fun is say you're more 10-year route. Na went me MET, which are first 2.5. Second 2.5, no, which are dream fee. What me MET. Then it means as 2.5 na which have beginning no. Ashegu. Obashasi for.
And already Yamao, first say Yamawa could do 5 years under the 10-year route. And it's about because I obey renewal and as about renewal I obey. Uber renew now say maybe you renewal, but this time I want to do it under this route. Yeah, just okay, everything is there, so we can do it under the 5-year route. But we'll look at the analysis now we say, okay, which are 5 year, no data. And this about I say you are not going to save anything.
There was a
The reason you are not going to save anything is in terms of money, you are still going to do 2 times under the 5-year rule.
because I think I'll be 5 and that's
Okay. In terms of money, you still pay twice or 2 laps.
Okay.
In terms of time, you still wait for 5 years before you go for
There's
index. However, you have to go and pass your English. However, you have to meet your financial requirements, which is extra hurdle for you.
Okay.
It's a person who, when your requirement in idea, then straight away, we will call second renewal under the 10-year route. Now why then? What's switch?
Me bao be na senior my imagine me make sense it might be for one wo hwe yan no uti ya no se me twa second and answer me rest second 2.5 no mu e wo 10-year route no so a ideally in here se me say me ko say yem for me to 5-year route so
right. So okay, Yamao, let's say we second extension under the 10-year route, which is 6 months womb. And you show more 2.5 into war about 2 years to go. Now so some I feel they may meet near me meeting per se me stop na me back way so. Whether you wait to the end of the time, and that's because time no so say extension. Already my boss say I'm running say 28
days and son our time now so and son
application.
That's right.
Because your aim is to extend into the third
lap of the
4.
Okay.
And you say instead of third lap of the 4, no, what they back under 5-year route, so there. Then you are going to start again and do your 5 years, which will take you to the third if you stay there.
Which is a 7.5 instead of 5.
Finally, good. Into yes, so we try to make 6 months into a carry over 2.5 customer measure me has say na or a new application. The application will be assessed and granted or refused.
Okay.
But what does here? And he say until the advisable says some person will switch here and try and say oh me real free and I say me try kakra. Straight away with your application is all right because it may meet English or something I'm going to prepare. So by the time
we call first 2.5 na extension na o kwaje 5 and just say instead of 10 no what is so about what is 2.5 more or less na beba 7.5 instead of 10.
Good.
Okay.
In the can say we switch here over 10 so that now we switch by 5 no so you will save 2.5 years.
Okay. Sika wise as well.
Sika wise you will save 2,600 because you wouldn't do the last one more or less. Then in terms of time you save 2.5 as we have said. In terms of convenience you get to finish your process and move on to indefinite early. And in terms of peace of mind, at least as I said we call race. We in them.
Okay. Say me father say obi ade spousal visa or the aba yamane 2.5 criteria na edibema na qualify ne bia na etimi asesa aman because he can English financial requirement but what they are there and a buy chinchine also a 10-year route na.
Right. Also you will live to remain na you will chrome ha. And live to enter would the fee abontin and I say abroad in the airba. And he said nipa way or year application no and that we meet certain requirement what's a partner. And the way meet those requirements what's a war bar. You see, so will be remove the requirements are the requirements. You have to meet them. But so more that's where the discretion comes
in. Okay.
Because so more and allow into papa no a opesa oye ni renew a ejina na baso. Na on meet 5-year requirement no. And I can say be good meet requirement but because of wo banunti ye ba mawo ehumobro ebi so that you can live here and take care of akwala no. Be a direct access ne ade. Be a woni maame no wona woni be a maame ne papa nyina atibom. But omunye awarefo per se.
Okay.
Nyina no ejina akwala no so age omode. The point we are making is say so wa ha process no na say consideration is different.
Different. And now outside there.
Na wo ba na say my for so na wo entry clearance e dey ba. And is different. So na you can say leave to remain, not leave to enter.
Okay. Okay. Enti say me father say me meeting requirements no. Ma qualify. I'm within my first 2.5. Me person me kokosesa. Was I trained 28 days before say be wono na me de atum.
So with the last 28 days, no.
The last 28 days na me de atum.
But again, if you have some exceptional circumstance, such as a year before, there was time where we a question said there has been precarious matter war. The crew or mindful for a few my me ya renya there's so or could do a den be enjoying a day. Can say to me early extension application.
Okay.
To me any no idea wako. It won't train the last 28 days, no. But it really depends.
Okay.
Standard said the last 28 days now Eddie be no obey application.
Say me question comes in say me qualify na say because the 10-year route in the Mawa, they will give you reasons as to why I'm out 10-year route because we are aware in meeting financial requirements, wanna brofono ni idea. Say me control brofo na metwa. Me meeting financial requirements no. Say me say vary from 10-year route to 5-year route na mamia. E automatic say the because say the menya.
Good, that's a very good question. It's here for near ABC say o switch here automatic say the bama wana. A criteria based. Tick box. Financial 18,600 or plus more and kolawo more. Maintenance. Washing in accommodation, relationship, English, in all the documents what they account what they call. We are telling the entry clearance the case worker say all the requirements now will share they make a decision are here. So there's nothing to make you say no.
No. Okay.
If they say no, they will give reason, then will challenge that they've made an error.
Okay.
Yeah.
Inti semi-miti na a tick box na I was say automatic or say the mommy.
Because you've met their requirements.
Do they do that?
So what we are saying is a requirement. For instance, it will be a year 5-year application. No, you haven't yet another 10-year application. I challenge you say, hang on, you can meet all the requirements.
Okay.
Then now, instead of number 5 is I come on discretionary. I see if they will be.
Okay. It doesn't make sense.
There's an error. Then they look into it, they apologize and reissue.
Then they are meeting a compensation.
Well, I think your what you want is your leave.
No, say anxiety. I'm not
you have to prove it. Remember, it's hard to
more lawyer for a mama who say a mistake.
It's hard to prove psychological loss. Economic but there's one lady or time or under 5-year route. COVID womb. Science English went to antro. And application in English in year ready.
Okay.
Later on a year ready, no post to come out.
Okay.
We make a decision based on the fact say or your original application in English in count. So we to 10.
Okay.
Then we had to fight through pre-action protocols and complaints, and we told them, say, look, COVID season there were a lot of issues, and even the centers no crowd were shut down. And your website even says say XYZ. And what could this person do other than waiting to do later?
Okay.
Why you later no the umbrella before your decision came? So the best was to reconsider. So I don't know the umbrella.
The umbrella, no.
And then they came back and said, all right, we have reissued.
Okay. Say who bibi sana e was say with the Emma lawyer. E can for the amount say any BWF solicitors any in Kitahon. BWF solicitors e were 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so e were 7 Sisters North London. With me after one e were telephone numbers so 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 and I say over 077 127 61884. UK leave to remain, switching from a 10-year route to a 5-year route. What are the things to consider? And lawyer Charles Asmah, if you BWF Solicitors Aba, na fi or chiche ye emu. Or text message, any WhatsApp messages, no, meji ewo ha. A year 07950 07950 And I'll say, Ubefre 0208 123 1016 0208 123 1016. Ntibre no emu ubetimi afre na afe ye no ade nkomo no ahyehye so. Na mesai akai will be say the 3 best sharers of our links, say your Facebook, say your YouTube. At the end of the year, this Christmas, I am going to give 3 of you each £200. That's what I'm saying.
That's great news. For India, you see, all you have to do is just Osorano Pa. Now I start.
Oh, share.
Now I share 10,000.
May say £200 each.
We a bonus. Bonus. I said from we trading. Oh, sorry, I'm not now.
I don't know what check.
He doesn't want to miss.
That's right.
And this is really good news from BWF Solicitors.
Right. And may try to call, no, may try to text messages. No, can I say a quick segment and also so last week it was very interesting. Only one person got the answer right. Omunyina 18. You about Mavis Boatema. We still haven't gotten your address. You can say text the brain. Your number no 07950422780. But your text the brain na fe yenhwe eni ho enkomo yen post to t-shirt no emfa mrel. Lawyer, we there amount for ahmano so a what they your friends questions any concerns aba inti yenhwe na yempija ebinum there. Daniela is saying, what about those of us who share links and to friends and family on WhatsApp? Yes, well, I'll consider that, but I want you to share it on Facebook, YouTube. I'll consider that. I'll see if I can get the statistics for that. So, Daniela, thank you very much for bringing that one up. But at least my £200 for 3 sharers available to you. Not only that, you also offer free consultancy. Last week, Ankuben offered as free legal consultancy about my application, and I am grateful to him. Oh, thank you so very much. You're so gracious, Evans. Say, Ode, no, Abba, amount for who say, yes, Sebi. Ubina Kaya will say it is not every service that we pay for. Sometimes you do that to open other doors for you. And BWF Solicitors, Ayesa, Asida, and Yakoso, Ade, Emao. Is it possible sharing to the same people the same time? Alex, share it to other people, not the same. And share, say, I will share more than 200. I'll see it because I have the statistics that come to our back page, and I said back room. And Alex, I will see that as well. Thank you very much. Jomens, watching with you all. Jomens, let us know where you're watching us from. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Sansuso and question bako ewo aha mepese mede eba. Thank you. You always give me an appetite for immigration law. I'm a law student though, but yet to read extensively on immigration law. Thanks for your response. Evans, thank you very much. Mijiri yese ebreno sona se opese wo ye wo apprenticeship ni ade obetimi paying BWF Solicitors. If the opportunity and the space is there, they will allow you to do that. Daniela ade about or say www.facebook.com/BWF Solicitors. Me who say, or pick it link, you know. I always share the link. I've shared it with a few people I know. Add more. I want more. Evans will say, yes. This is the question number 7 day, Ebba. When you say Evans, on the platform, you've been giving a page to go and read something. But Mamento Mrabiana Obi Fronso Ewo same concern opese Obisa na yeche asie. The case of TT simply.
That's a very interesting.
Also, I lost it.
Interesting point from TT. Yes.
Defined a mother as someone who has gone through the physical and biological process of giving birth. If that is the case, then children adopted by homosexuals cannot claim rights of citizenship under TT. Is that not the case? What you training?
Yeah, thank you very much, TT. That's a very good perspective because we've always looked at surrogacy and we haven't looked at the modern trends in getting children who may not necessarily be your biological children. And the case of 2 men or 2 women who, under the case of TT, none of them can carry. So in this case, or none of them can give a sperm, depending. In this case, they are going to adopt. So that will take us through the adoption process.
Okay.
Yeah, so adoption. So if you adopt a child, that's a different matter. Here we are looking at a biological child. And if the child is coming from the man's sperm, then the man is the father. If the child is coming from the mother who carried the fetus, then the mother is the mother in that sense. But 2 men or 2 women, in this case, they can only adopt, and the rules will be different.
Okay. You, also a bit to me at the question and answer concern about there's another one here that came up. Emra. Good evening, Kwiku and lawyer. Please, a sister is having an issue with her son. He's an European national from Germany who resides in the UK. Okay. What line also? I'm picking you, but please keep holding on for me. Meba also see, and concerning. I'll say, saying Ensha Sibu. A sister is having an issue with her son. His father. He's an European national from Germany who resides in the UK. He's been here since 2016 June. And he applied directly for his son, but he was told his son does not qualify since he gave birth to his son before his 5-year residence came through. He hasn't applied to get his settlement, but did have pre-settlement scheme. He is now not interested in applying for the baby anymore because of some issues. Is there any way the lady can apply for a son to get a stay permit since the dad has already applied pre-settlement scheme without the lawyer?
My so should have something.
Well, we can assume from that.
Papa no say on boy be more. My men because the time my men yen the crown between I a bano so ne dia na eden amano because on akola na eden etie enti sa akola no na akam na maame no e wo ne dia no a na some of course me I want to believe some wo krom has to say enti ka kire wonu yan na say wadanfo say on to America na omra na yan hwa akola no situation na yan hwa maame no so ne situation na kwan ye be boa na akola no so even under the circumstance, I mean, one pre-settled that. That's our plano, Yentumi and Yamanoa, and Brano at the moment, Eka said, why went to me here by June? Unless say you have good reason, then you should be able to come up with reasons that went to me and year up until now. Then we can look at that for Aqualano.
Okay, all right. Alex, I don't know whether it's another thing. What are the criteria for sharing? Click. Thank you. The rules under Gen 3 requires that Home Office look at all aspects of your case, and K-Law states that they should look at Article 8 if you don't meet, or I'm saying that lawyer HH. And as I keep saying, they interact with you on the platform. And whilst probably your answer has not been given live on the show, no. If you interact on the platform, that those answers may be given to you as well. Good info, Debat. Thank you very much. This America for we have somebody watching us from the USA.
Thank you.
From Florida. We should done a campaign. Me dene cut 200 in home. And also on so baby competition. The number again, the number is 0208-123-1016 and now 07950-422-780. Lawyer, you will be ewo humano so yensa akano. Wow, Wahman Sumpacho, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yes, you're here, pa.
But I wait here, yet I must see me.
But you tell you
yes.
Yes, yeah, that's so okay.
The question is we 10 years our partner route is now so switch back 5 years financial requirements no only obadi mi nyina no e sika sen na wasemunya
Yo, yeah, that's it. You know, the question by your family income. And the Portugal, we are looking at 18,600. Nti wo de kakra oba no so no de kakra na ya da bom sometimes so kra na ya be ma no na obi a oye adwuma ono ne de no is enough to cover the 18,600 no and say bi oba no na oye adwuma it doesn't really matter who a combined income na nkwala wo mu a ya hwe nkwala no so ho side no na 3,800 na 2,400 depending on how many children involved no.
Okay, and then the question is encourage me
first one is 3,800. Now second one is 2,400. And now one kasa na so banan kasa mu no 18,600.
So about the first one is 3,800.
Pachawai.
And that second one is 4,000.
2,400.
2,400.
And 3,800 now. Each one will be 2,400.
Okay. And I am parents to be 18,600.
So 18,600 you just say parents and say couple no amoti no amoya application for the other one. But because I'm kwala woman inti threshold number cost for financial aspect, you know. Antina, yes, yes, akwala so no. How do they survive? The first one, you add 3,800 to the 18,600. Second akwala 2,400. Third akwala 2,400. Then you do the calculation by adding up, depending on how many children you have.
Okay. Okay. You made a mistake.
Okay. All right. Yes, that's 0208-123-1016 and now 07950-422-780. Ubitimi afraid now fe ye wo concern and o question no ne be agent so pacho ubitimi assign afraid say free no obi so until we had to wait for the person. Hello.
Hello.
The volume of your computer now TV no mame why?
Okay.
Good. Pacho wane ka say?
Pacho bana ka say.
Oba.
Pacho.
Oba number no wafre why are there pa?
Pacho wafre.
So you are in contention for the 200 me boy.
I'm trying.
Trying good. Keep trying. Pacho buy it you.
Pacho me wo 10 years route ni bi na bako 1 2 me bako 3. By January. Mkam pese betima as they are indefinite from there no sanka men ko bi mu.
Mr. question in lawyer na me be say January or court ne 3rd.
So how are you 5 or because
second 5.
Me try 1 2 and me ko 3 no.
Do be 7.5 maybe.
And Pacho I mean in 2013.
Into would the 10-year route in so.
Na me pese metimi anka da me pese me ko bi mu no ka we no ka metimi dia akwaje na me di be wi ka me ko di indefinite.
Embrano say as I say we are continuous residence of 10 years lawful residence. And wo hwa ya do to 10 years no so a omuni say wo be ko for be wi no na we twa lawfully 10 years. Until we were quartered no na wuncha 7 no na wo na wuncha 10 na wo twa 7.5 until wuntumi nkonkwaji indefinite unless say before we ma 10 no na wo leave no bi wo ho a there was no break bia na we a student and na wo de beto aso ha ne ade enti mpacha wo ho
Me pacho meet you pa.
na ye kan say so with the 10-year route no so a right from the beginning, as I say, we try with 10. Until we cut fourth one we are say show more fifth no now we acquire indefinite because that time 10 that time no we with 10 no.
And I said, I'm to say, BB the Zambrano, watch out 5 years a year out to me.
Zambrano so another application
And it's another application. Then this is why I do.
Some ne copy court no so what ya I can say ya.
Yeah, Metiasi or court.
This are some no ha copy court. Says Zambrano applications ni na no ya twintwen so.
Oh.
Nti saafo no omo ba ha se a omo aim ni say omo dey call for settled status no under the EUSS no. But what you say? Then only different from immigration rules. Now, you do to 10-year route in the no.
Okay, this is the set one as them to.
So what be baby? So why you be that dear? When you are tomorrow, we be to me that account. Now, what shall say when you turn not that dear? But so when you turn not that dear, and yes, when you answer.
Oh, okay. That's it, Panya Misha.
That's it.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. 020812311016. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Hello. Good evening. But me what question ka question to lawyer.
What are my loyalty why?
Okay. But me question is time then ubedi time then na say obi wo 10 years shoot no so na na fa ni say unya ne niema no enra. Da by no obi timi a start say a switch to 10 years shoot no.
To 5-year route no.
And patch one story I.
Yo, enti yan fan say wadanfo ya obi sa asem ya mani patch the ben no nya ne de no wadanfo yi the ben no nya ne de.
Me patch onyano October
ya nti say onyano October ya na che say 2.5 ya de ahye na ase no afi na wa ahye ase enti otwa 2.5 no a ebewu no obekọ akọ extend meboa so extension no a even say we try 2 years aka 6 months the last month no di bebewu no na wa bobo an we already pay extension nti instead so obekọ extension no under the 10-year route no say we meet rules ni do a that's a requirement no a obetumi aka say this time no me pay no under 5-year route because me wanyoma e kan ho ni na.
Oh, okay. And about so found to say leave to remain, you leave to remain and found say your parent route and not your partner route.
You leave to remain, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
And one more
matter no yam crofo no a omoda 20 year omatena krom ha 20 years. Now omagina omo private life so akwaje ebinu. Some crofo no ye de omo to 10-year route so automatically.
But my son will last question be.
Pacho koso.
Pacho madam for the card na ba. And no record public funds no way because me say say or that 10-year shoot maybe definitely or say onya no recourse to public funds so because onya decision letter no na omo say be an card na ba meaning send the formality what letter be so there say on make sure no recourse to public funds but card na ba ye na true no BBA ni so no recourse to public funds be any so
yo ye do yame ase so akai woni na ya man no restriction bia sentini say
it is no
e bia na woni okoye fee waiver for no already no mo kan say mu ni sika mo de hwe mo ho ne nkwala mo ka ho santi say the man wo a aya na yi no recourse no fi so amamotumi akwa aban ho for moa.
Okay. But one fee waiver. One
so na make no obi an application case by case. Nti the special circumstance and nipa no ewa no omutumi hwe na omuyi condition if so automatically.
Okay, because for catcher say condition be any mo no call for priority service into the same day no acquire biometric now no man decision into no when she have any health condition be another baby but na ye me nwa say e ba ye no recourse to public funds no work hard lechi.
I don't think so or worry say or my mistake. No recourse no a condition say you to sumawo. So mum pese obeko aban ho for amwa. Say ndaso dia and ndaso. Let's just say who need restriction bia.
Yes, we need restrictions there.
And ndaso dia.
Okay.
That
Any card in the cry, but no, suggested bia e be wo system so say e be wo system so.
So be wo system so anka be wo on card no so.
Anka be wo no so card no so. Oh, okay. Okay. Lawyer, I never share that
Yeah, over from so ebetimi afre 0208-123-1016 and now say 07950422780. Missing number no so 0208-123-1016 and now say 07950422780. Which means we will comment on our Facebook and now say YouTube page and so you be page na fe the ama lawyer ahwe the ama me obako ewa or say my friend is in a situation that I want to ask for him. He has given birth in the UK this year and he's from the EU, so he wanted to apply for British passport for his daughter. The friend is 5 years this year, but the passport office declined him because the daughter was born before the date he started working in the UK. What's he going to do?
Right. So this is from Nana Sapon.
Nana Sapon, I will say, Ubisa Mobi. Lawyer kind of idea, or say Nana Sapon say Miss Emfa and to Subio say near a war situation say Opus Bisamano what about friend UK or no for EU so until no person apply for British passport and money baba no down for no in 5 years. But the passport office declined him because they said his daughter was born before the date he started working in the UK. And then with me.
Yo, say we o passport application no. Depending on the do what they Kruma because passport application for akwala na we amano no is based on your dada no. Enti say no mo can say time we application let us say one shall say or to have 5 years. Is that what you're saying?
And say or say or ye or more say or what about friend no on year 5 years.
And say or what before no year 5 years no more patterns and not just say treaty right now or more not so exercise no.
No on exercise treaty right.
Exercise say sir treaty right no. Me patcho bebre ye nua Nana Sapon so letter or the letter be ma wa for letter no ebra yen na yen hwe nea omode kan ho wo letter no mu esel bebre e bia na they might have said something else apart from nea o kan wo a hase eno.
Okay.
And somebody letter be kan ho abomode an insaka letter no why?
Okay. What about two men who have donated and used surrogate as mother? Can the child be given citizenship?
Well, that's a very
interesting one. I'm up for the scenarios.
That's a very interesting one. I mean, I can say Bema donate sperm one, not the ma or bar. Bema no donate sperm no, akwala papa. And this akwala papa no, the citizenship no, depending on say UK there na we can say US there, US there we can't comment. Rules na different. Sa papa no donate no, the citizenship na ye dey to akwala no so. And this akwala papa no donate sperm no, British here or the back to ne ba no so na ye.
Okay. Okay,
Zemi. Pacho me fa we twum.
Okay.
Na ye ka say year application, no, about 10-year, 2.5 another 10-year route. Now, Uber switch it. Usually, some people will get prepared and now or move on to extension now. Then they do the switch. Obi so ma or the application to no a buy no under 10-year no na e bia nyoma na no ni ho no afi then are you ready? Ne saka. So sa na tie dia. Obi to is all right. Me person make train for so enjoy 2.5 no. I want to restart. Then you make your application under the 5-year route because you now have all the things. We so say okay, me try me move on to the next one and my then my year way. You see the mouse you see more or less you save some time because our old one no ya da ma one there.
I think so. Okay. Mami Kwahman, so 0208-123-1016. Hello. Hello. But all Wahumano Sunti, my ento Kawa. Hello. Okay. So when you know, so but we could hear you. Nti over to me assign afre. Your another one waha. Richard Enning say BWF Solicitors, you are the number one. God bless you for the good job you are doing for the community. Yes, BWF Solicitors are the trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Richard, you are right. Benasari, or say lawyers Kweku, a friend applied for pre-settled status based on a 14-year-old child who is an EU national with pre-settled status. On your email said the application was wrong and had to apply for derivative rights. What form and document does she need?
Wow. No more ever carton says derivative rights. Okay. And the derivative right application is different from pre-settled and settled status applications. And the say on a call online now why search derivative rights application for EU. Form no by now why complete now or the necessary documents no the account. Now at the just like Zambrano. Some of the applications are over form no paper. You so my over no online.
Okay. 0208-123-1016. Hello. Oh, also online no article. Me bacha offer me oni na so am because ya na ye say bitimi answer obi ade na afi ye picture ade aba. Ye wo inua bako ewa ha ye inua dogbe mame ensan emfa wo de no emra emeto so we say what happens to me if I still don't meet some of the requirements after my 10-year route? So 10 years, which we are no which Auntie Richard, which 10 years no we and how and how and for problem we are and to so Mami we does one have to wait till the end of the current leave to remain to switch from the 10-year to the 5-year route? Info I've read says that one can switch immediately. I know na about say or the abana.
Yes, and it's for yes soon say was that kind of na right after that we meet two requirements and I say before a decision about we meet two requirements we bet to me I switch it to the 5-year route.
Okay. Yeah, that's CP. Yemfa we so emra or say Rev see the answer above. Okay. A penny for some can say ye didn't come on a war TV so and a radio so no penny for so a watch our boy and what platform no so Sebia say yentimi answer and peke am fan to so live then you would have an answer even on the platform. And a very interactive part. Thank you very much, sir, for joining in. Please, can a mother who has 2.5 years through a 7-year-old daughter switch to the 5-year route? How will it if she has no recourse to public funds? I'm similar to in your banner friend.
Yes. And the Nipa no Yamano 2.5 no I say I think for the person who says switch need to 10 or so. Yeah, they also a one. So I feel we meet the requirement of which me as switch it. Now, no recourse to public fund no send a kind of obioma or application no obeka ne circumstance. Na visa no beba no na ye no recourse no. Another 5-year route no. When I will prove this will be bia.
Okay.
In this will be now your application another 5-year route now. You are saying you meet all the financial maintenance, all the requirements, and you're able to maintain yourself.
Okay.
So no recourse to public fund, might not be a priority or a consideration for case worker.
Oh, okay.
So I didn't believe now we feel say after your application, you can make an application for the condition to be removed, depending on say one kala ewo emu.
Okay. Me wo I mean hwese metimi ade atoso ade ama yenuano, but there's a letter it will be at the buy okay, for purposes of confidentiality, me in fact letter non even though it didn't be okay, so I'll leave it out. But my main and kind was say to enable me to progress the application. Can you please confirm again the date that you arrived in the UK and started work in the UK? Guys, will be say so time or the application it no on starting the previous question and no the further a year ban. The earliest start date we have for your employment in the 2016-2017 tax year is 27th of June 2016 with the company needing as shown on the HMRC revenue and customs statement. The 5-year qualifying period prior to your son's birth is 3rd of June that year to 3rd of June that year. Email sent outside of a government secure network may not be secure, therefore any personal information, But the essence of the whole thing, say reference point.
And also we your application share time because HMRC portal will track NI In the NI shall say definitely time what they shall exercise will treat at the end. And wouldn't be come. Let's look into this letter. Let's look at what else we can support you with. Obviously, we'll buy a baby so. Background questions and information as I said with the man and but Modena say we here Yansaka later but what me a follow up and it says we jaw number so will call you to discuss this further with you.
Okay. Number no I was sending via WhatsApp, so at least we can get the number. Young line Subio. Hello. Hello. But what was your tonka? The background in your room is live. Hello. Hello. But what tonka? Hello. Oh, okay. Over mobile line, no, probably that will be a bit more stable for us. 079-50-422-780. 079-50-422-780. Ma main share comment with so I'm on student visa for just only 1 year. 1 year, okay. I have also got work and they are ready to switch my student visa to worker visa. Does that happen?
So when you're Juma, yes, working visa.
Working visa.
I hope so. Well, we are with school.
Oh, okay. Until we 1 year now, school need to be bow and now when you're Juma.
We are your master by your master's course.
Okay.
Okay. There might be a 1 year near the man.
Okay.
Then we will also move you to graduate scheme. And there be a 1 year Juma employer no man license
to work
to obtain it. So I'll switch it to the worker visa no. Then obey Juma mesa employer no.
Oh, okay.
But we any question and I or just
just that line.
Right.
Okay. Hello. Hello. Oh. Mr. Ofre, our number ending in 1635. Ofre me any nagina so am I why na yete kapa when you call in we clearly hear you. But name se bia ye na wonte yenka. Wumpini Adam, BWF Solicitors, welcome. Yemfa we so Emra we saying good evening Black Wikula, Richard Magneti and lovely Royals. Louisa Santiamoa, thank you very much. Senam Kaya no abusiafo no ewo background a woye adwuma gidigidi nti oche omunyina at wase. How can one bring her mother to the UK just because she does not have anyone in Ghana to take care for her? Would like to know if it is possible. Antubam.
Oh yo. Anti wo mame eyare wo na wo hwe wo mame. Na as I say obi ani ho hwe no a akwenya ewo ho say obeya application say wo de wo mame ebeba. Anti you make an application, you go through the process, then but senior wo kai no obi ani ho obehwe no.
Okay. Nipa my first text message by before we started was say I'm thinking of switching from 5-year route to 2.5. No.
Switching
from switching to 5-year route from 10-year route. Yeah, that's what I feel. Catcher me say, because so the aba. I feel beside say, oh, you actually read my message? Yes, I did. And I'll read again. Also, tell them to prepare a special discount for your sister. I can definitely switch now.
All right, please come.
Okay. 0208-123-1016. Enche, you call young quiz segment also, but we're still inviting you to call us. We text message in the idea no, what the answer or the 07950 422780 and now say ube send a text a day about our number no so waiting first our number also as well. Yani BWF Solicitors in our AD and Comway BWF Solicitors 2142218 Tottenham High Road 7 Sisters. One number is 0208 493 7340 and now say over 077 127 81 61884 sorry 61884. Yeah, you go so ewojumedi no so you train with text, you train with comment. You train say unso obetimi adjoin ne Now Mekai will say till the end of the year I am going to give 3 best sharers each £200. Many be beside say omo share what WhatsApp group no so at the same. Can somebody pin the number for me? But you for one pin your studio number no Emma Miniaba Daniela Chaimensa Emma me 0208 123 1016 and now 07950 422780. Daniela, it's on the screen now as I speak. Until wait to me, actually, a screen so it's been pinned on the screen, but will be pinned on the platform as well. 07950 422780 and that's 0208 123 1016. Upe BWF Solicitors main number no so the day program no maboso but the office number no say we book your appointment and say oboka kuhu on 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 and now 077 127 61884 077 127 61884. Fortunately, I think I can pick up a call now. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, darling. What to say?
Me pacha you. Good evening, lawyer. Me pacha.
Oh, kafra. Why? Lawyer Asmah waha. Yeah, crowd you too.
Oh, okay. Oh, lawyer. Good evening.
Good evening.
Me pacha. Bibi abokodi.
Pacha nyamiado. Now swear.
Me pacha nyamiado. Lawyer, where the me kuta indefinite. Na me application 2011. And I refuse me at the moment 2015. It's me person me who say a merben and meet me apply for British passport.
Until Ukuta indefinite in the CCA.
I to say them could indefinite, but try.
We're crying for how many months? And I say yes.
Yeah, the mommy last, I think the last 2 years.
Until we're trying more than 12 months.
Me pa try.
Na so dey to say me.
So,
I'm okay. But why?
Me because no be cause or yeah the mommy 2015 or say me change. Inti na no be cause no what a damage
train how long?
Was me try for 5 to 2024.
Oh.
Okay. But why?
Me patcho internet made it me 2011 me be ekotum no me fit no me demand 2015 they say me yes say me apply for British passport.
Well, your British passport no we here British citizenship.
British okay.
We citizen na we be passport.
Me patcho you internet me qualify.
Me never hold on.
Me patcho you.
O say British citizenship enu here. And no need naturalization.
Any naturalization.
Ayo.
Yeah, and
okay.
Act no. Section 6 no for for naturalization.
Oh, okay.
And the o naturalize we are now wako swearing in no say na nkrofo ka no. We have certificate.
Akonum ti na.
We have certificate now. Na we gina no so we be citizen. Na fi there we request a passport.
Okay, me patcho. And lawyer na me second question. So me patcho me pese me brother di mechi or tradi or ye teacher ni na me pese me money invite na me patcho metimi ayama no.
Me patcho obi abetumi abesra obi ewo UK. Nti betumi application for visit visa. And it's a visitor's visa. Now what they say so prove so ba obekọ. And then idea ya na emodel. Nti so ye teacher there obeka ni bibia bom na say ni holiday no obebe di bi wa wonchen. Well so prove so obeka back to continue teaching.
Okay.
No, obeko there.
Me patcho obeko.
Anyway, obeko there any problem why?
Right.
Me patcho you lawyer. Me that's it. It's lawyer na say me qualify for naturalization no.
Me patcho I say we kura no for more than 1 year no.
Me patcho
12 months.
Me patcho you. Okay. Me
that's we are in contention for me 200 no. Oh yeah sure.
Me patcho.
Bro nya chedi onti mi wani.
Ai me patcho ai. Me that's it.
Okay, me that's say. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Good evening, Oracle. Good evening, Lawyer.
But your man neso kakre bi ka homa me wa darima.
Good evening, Oracle. Good evening, Lawyer Asmah. Any kidney.
Good evening.
Good evening. Okay, I say.
Adam number also.
Yeah, me Adam. Sir, we are in contention there. 200.
Yeah, remember.
Okay, any batch of my lawyer to you.
Okay, and right now me be some question well my tea so but time ninety. Me wo me friend me brother friend be aja me papa eba country ni mo but no mo ye train. So oba in the train name ne other brother edim through like what in the passport ne buy because almost empty. So I bet now Chrome would 20 years and over. Or per se or your application. But never than this is true say minimum ever go home office. I bet you say on no support no. And in this case no we generally brother need being so Eddie BBA so on ni BBA one who I bet you so about Chrome this date so and so because about one brother dino. At the end of it me I to Albania or person apply for that long leave residence in Wahana.
Yeah, ne brother so I wa ha say.
Ne brother ne so waha.
Ne brother na wadan.
Ono British book no.
Okay, and I'm nyina din ye pepepe.
Edin pepepe. Edin nye pepepe different.
And see what I'm
Surname me a pet, but English name no na different kakra wo.
And see now pa channel say what I'm no buy no abese Sunny Dean.
Or make Sunny Dean, but all ban or the net twin brother
from your work no
any money real.
Yeah, interpreting your work no or by as John. Necessary friend Johnny.
Yeah, or by as John, I a friend of Johnny. Young friend.
And see I know Johnny no be jina so there on one application. Yes sir. Sana wo pa. Enti no oba kan say oba no abese was in the assessor at a point in the assessor. Enti what means the within by when here deep poll. I be confirm say what's the within at a point.
Okay.
Now obviously no oba no nkrofo hu no bia wo paper bi wo baby a kire say o de wure mu ne ade enti ana say na fofo ne ade a no mo boa no e we didie mu ne ade no betumi a confirm say an oba this time watna ha onko fie ona so onko baby a na ade enti say evidence yin na betumi aboa no application.
Okay, until without luckily for him, he said, or not a baby for and a brother now at a baby for. So what's my watch? If you know, in this case, that tenancy agreement, obey me use as part of the application.
I was I didn't know pursue you see application.
Debbie, I know on one class.
Any case. Any case. Any case.
Meet your record.
No offense, but me boo bentra. Utrison, Timetobo and Babo me boy.
Everybody.
Any higher crown, meant to bomb.
Yeah, okay. Yeah,
only a person. Only a person. I have crown to you, can say me to born a ball.
Everybody.
A bones or whipper.
Okay.
It pronounces so I
information number.
May I say any? That's right. And you didn't come away or Kwanza. Why here, Metobo Bobo. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, see that that's saying. Good. But you're my into.
So basically, put a lawyer at some kind.
But you're lawyer too.
Touch on me, warm me, brother, you, Ghana, Nami, visit passport. That you walk at that. So, bit of you, Honoman.
Oh, line break. Also, what brother be or Ghana? And now, person to sabre a friend or so, Mesra, yes, sir.
And yes, like or banner.
And check out how so bad about sound chain where you care.
Pasha.
Who could a crat away? You could a British passport. Okay. The minima, no. I mean, to my lawyer, no, why? Lawyer.
Right. The woman said, "Oh, brother, our Ghana, say, my girlfriend be on no, I feel there on what I say, our rebaba so it was a fire to know my warrior. Neiri, bet me at Winsa Iden, a friend, I'm another cat, Nensawa as my spouse, and I said, Nukunu. At what I say. And here, number one. So, on warrior. Na na yiri ni agbochiri dia obetumi so aba as a student ntiano oba apply na aba school as a student so bi oba ye masters bi and so oba ye degree bi nti oba ye baba as a student kwa ko student visa yes also a obeto nsa afreno na wa aba basrawo as a visitor and e be man 6 months oba so okọ back and so prove so oba obekọ to maybe sending your year near again then I just say oba obeko. And these are the options ewo Emma uni.
Now just say or no as nearby the untimi there's no visa because I'm saying no visa. There's no visa category sebia ebetimi amano in Safre, and that's where inviting in Niana Manaba, Abatanichi.
Well, be inviting them on holidays.
Or bet me I invite them on holiday.
Be inviting them on holiday. And I make us a normal man, 6 months visa. Now, what Barbara's running in. Now, these days, senior I born a day rule. I buy a baby, and we say, oh, I'm an onena, oh, a skill beer. Now, it may phone on workroom, Hano, or Mupe beer. Uko we feed you sooner internet sooner wako search ejuma on in the scale no a corner. So be a carpenter or whatever. Or bet me akọ internet sooner wako search ejuma wo UK. When you ejuma be na omomano sponsorship we you know obetumi aba ye ejuma amasa nkrofo no. Nti enene nyama e ho a woni eno so betumi look into or is an adwuma ban.
I'm so free, so
okay.
We'll have to leave that. Lawyer, we the enter cry you be call your quiz segment no so, but my man has met me at the Matthias there. I'm on a wake up visa for one. Oh, okay. Matthias, I'm saying I share question. No, I think it's come back again to my man share of for Rebecca Moako. I'm watching you, Becky. Share now you are in contention for the £200 at the end of 2021 inti ema enya kwadro na bomodin atwatum what aside the year babio Matthias. I think we have answered into Mexico na makowe. So Margaret Dumensa, good evening family, good evening Auntie Magina to say ensure what happens when a visa has been issued but you didn't get notification for collection until your time of departure has passed or is overdue?
Which visa?
Wumpini from Accra. I'm suspecting what apply for visitors visa now. Yeah, where in your notification.
Yeah, that's so sad.
But it happened.
Yeah, I'm surprised because usually so mo make a decision offense center for no prompt you. But in any case, so sana akoba dia oma emezini ya we. So obi no ye man no Oma impani ya we no, but either way, no my amazing ya we say when you notice no intem, okwaji no be mu no ade na ide ewudada.
Okay.
Then they will look into it.
Okay. I salute you both, Lawyer Asmah and Ora. I salute you back. Thank you very much. Every number I have is the office number. Daniela, sorry, share screen as well. I'll repeat it for you. Our screen as well. Number I was so no the mobile number no is what we use for the program. And unti mpacho no na 07950422780 07950422780. No mami why? No na use office the no na 0208-493-7340. I also say Kokofai and quiz no eba enti in Homeso Tiamenechi just a few moments and I'll be right back. Yeah, the community and the law. Ena Yagusui Sabri Yako. One very interesting segment of the program, which is our quiz segment. Now, what you be the Yachachre no ne ehon ensembi etohona yebisao asem. Last week we asked a very interesting question, and only one person got it right. Only one person got it right. Mavis Boatsma, still Yensa Enka will address, so we haven't been able to put your t-shirt in the post for you. We have a very magnificent t-shirt from BWF Solicitors. And Sir Utie to say bomodi answer over text to address no a day amayen na afi ye day t-shirt no ato post mo a day abro but say dear mama yenhwe na mendane me ho quiz master na yanko para Uncle Charles I mean in reading me quiz question no emra sisia na last week you know one very interesting thing that happened to me last week. Me dey quiz na baba to so na me dey answer no mum di kaba. But interestingly, last week in so na obi atin here. They were not expecting it. Inti ene mama here say I'm not going to repeat that mistake, but I am going to be that quiz master I have always been. Okay, Akosia and Kote are married and living in Birmingham. I mean, I know more Birmingham. A-class, ne, Abusia for Birmingham, Derek, and Cynthia. And who do I know in Birmingham? I have a friend who was just visiting in Birmingham. We know more, Akosia and Kote Awari Omote, Birmingham. They were both born in Ghana and moved to the UK in the year 2005. They obtained indefinite leave to remain in 2010. It is more about UK after 5 years, no munya indefinite leave to remain. Akosia naturalized in 2013. Kote has no wish to naturalize. Meaning abana obaya odi we 2 years and can pacho to make maybe the drew ho metna ho sa nimni po twam twede loyalty ni twam twede na mkoye. Their son Papo was recently born in Ghana to an unmarried surrogate mother Afi, who is Ghanaian. Okay, Akosia ne Kote, about 2005. Akosia a British citizen. Senior lawyer che you know. 2013 no nya British citizenship. So I didn't pass us 1 year. That one we don't know, but at least a British citizen. Kote dia was me free Ghana, me di fufu apply ni ade gina me British citizenship. You. Omo bako nansia na omo koye surrogacy. And Afi, our Ghana ni a woman. They use Kote's sperm and a donor egg. Kote and Afi are named on the birth certificate. Ya wabo frano. Enya Akosia na nidimba so because they oje Kosia no oje bema no hunsuo edem fa ono no Kosia ma eba no eba ye no ene de netin ato birth certificate do so. Inti papo the nationality at birth, eye diya. 1, oye British. 2, oye Ghanaian. 3, oye British and Ghanaian, you know, at the same time. And last week, me pa Uncle Ben said none of the above, no in film. Oh yeah, free mama me that say. Until the Abisane said, Sahabo Fryer ye wo through surrogacy. Ye de Kote sperm, any afi egg, ekabo mu ema ye wo papo no. Papo ye wonwa or ye British. Because Kaise Kote essay or no dear or nye na doing so be naturalize it as a British citizen. Kaisa. We may chawa dear in check no way trap. Inti or ye British or ye Ghanaian. Ananse or ye British any Ghanaian yina. And a Kaibion say Ghana ye allow dual citizenship. Lawyer, I think I'm right.
Yes.
Inti lawyer, my way dear, men ka say ya no, but mame in misa say maybe assumptions are the kind of question no correct. Say
pointers now
with the band. Then you are very correct. Me being actually. Okay, so for now I'm waiting for your answers and let's see what we have. Okay, a couple of answers are coming. And in case me too, I'm in Birmingham. Okay. Maybe maybe we'll organize one of the live sessions. Nana very more brimpon and san SCB abofra no papo Ghana ni. Okay. Yen share abena ativo CB or Ghana ni. Okay. The next one, Nana Oberima Obrimpon answer. I think you're giving us the same answer again. Thank you. D-Bat say British, which is number 1. Okay. Or A. Yanko NK. Let me have your answer. B. Okay. Sanso and Alexo says A. A then British. Okay? Yeah. A British. D-Bat, what's the one? For the second answer, I will say Ghanaian. Okay. And to be an OPC. Okay. Well, let's see how it goes. Daniela Che Mensa. Daniela, thank you very much. I hope you gotten the telephone number correct now. Okay, Daniela say A, which is British. Yenko Rebecca Amwako A. Lucy, what's the word? Okay, this is a different person. Lucy Boating CB. Ezekiel Johnson Onuba B, because the parents are unmarried. Okay, to be then Ghanaian. Good. Yanko, the next one, also saying Richie Dogbe, also Ghanaian. That is the first one. Okay. Then you were Rebecca Amwako A. And Alex Osayas Sanadjuni was C. Okay, any more answers coming? Wait me send away page. So my kai will be me kai will me say say but more than say over share page as many times as possible because you are in the reckoning of winning one of the 3 £200 donation. It's a gift from BWF Solicitors. Okay, young call the next one. So Isaac Akwa SCB B it's British. Young call Margaret Adu. B is Ghanaian. Okay. Margaret to say Ghanaian. Okay. So Isaac, me find the number B, a Ghanaian. Margaret to say a Ghanaian. Okay. What's the time now? Okay. Now Mama EFA young call young answer no so let me take this one out and take that one out. And what's the answer? Hey, B for a trade. Well, lawyer, wait there. B for a trade. Not me, ma kind of watch your mama.
Yo, the woman in say, Senya, your share or when I did a buy no quiz background na the bar this week no. I can say, so we go through surrogacy. Akwalano ne citizenship a day. Citizenship no you share section 2(1) of the British Nationality Act in Abakachro say akwalano pe mame no or carry baby no and answer papa no or identity sperm no will have the opportunity to put their citizenship on the child. So as na titi so kire me say you hwe mame no ye nipa or carry akwalano and yet papa no identity sperm ne original wife no. Nti na ye hwemu a under titi no afi eye kote mame. Na under we so ye share nipa identity sperm so na eye papa mame na papa no na ye share nipa ye we so a nti na ye share nkofo meni a afi eye Ghana ni. Na kote say on person of a British citizen santi so no oye Ghana ni. Nimpa British citizen mame no so de omemu bi.
Okay.
Nti na ye hwemu a omumienu a omudi wo birth certificate so nyina no Ghana fo. Nti akwala no a omumienu no awo no Ghana ni.
Nti would there be an opportunity say kote ne yire ankasa ene akosia. Okay. Kote akowo eba e de free Ghana aba akwala na Ghana ni. Wenya ne indefinite ewo ha. Inti se okọ no kofa kwala na de bre na yire ankasa wa aware na one na tena ha from 2005 no ono ye British no se ode akwala ne figa na ba abofra ne bitimi agina ne stepmother no so enya British citizenship ana.
Right. So kofa akwala zisi asene akwala ne be pie ha. Akwala ne be pie ha opapa settled. Because of indefinite leave.
Okay.
And it's a papa settled that you bet me share or papa side and so at the year application. But Colano at that point when you're citizen, bear in mind. Until you share and say a Colano by citizen. So a citizen at that point there automatically no registration. Straight away by passport amano.
Okay.
My many dear fine or a stepmother. Inti the stepmother so akwala no gina the stepmother so aye application am random guys obet me gina stepmother so obet me gina stepmother so enya leave.
Okay.
Ah.
But then
if
status
we-
on the papa no kuta wahano will be conferred on Nebano. Okay,
And
to
see,
be
because-
indefinite leave to
see,
remain.
the citizenship angasanga Ghanaian, but because the papa no war
Indefinite leave.
indefinite, you know, you better share no sooner than I say akola no baba. But akola no be do papa no say okay, me buy papo me pese me register no. Then we can also look at papa no speak to our process no. But under the fact I buy no. The citizenship why then Ghana.
Ghana.
But obey to me, it go through process to become dual.
Oh, okay. Nature say, sir, Nugget, BWF Solicitors, at the Mayan from Monday, no, and who crazy a day a buy, you know, ya chichimu. I've even gone the step further to see Sakola, no bit me, Ejina, the mother in law, the stepmother, no, sorry, so at the Ayana. But definitely the status of the father would be automatically conferred on Abofrano. A child born to commissioning surrogate parents who are British citizens otherwise than by descent may be a British citizen under Section 2(1) of the British Nationality Act. But however, under English law, being a mother is the status given to the person who undergoes the physical and biological process of being pregnant, carrying and giving birth to a child, which may affect nationality of the child, British Nationality Act of 1981. And Penny4 Emma Yekoti Yadi Eddie and Common. Lawyer, with the Yabreno Asso, Nkofono 6 o'clock never. Inti Wadaruma Sima wait me abonotofa na bibi wo ha odi beja yen say yen fanko twa na hotwe no, so we'll wait for another edition.
You that's be brave. Where the memfa we ntwemu say wako appeal na we need appeal for EA family member bia o to in suffering no somewhere 2019 2020 adiana kemo abesi enda we say we big issue pass yen farmer won and afi do almost say the bema won ma sha say the ma sound for no we need appeals no
Okay.
e ye won we need appeals no so when we know there different matter but more when we need na adiana kemo no ma sha say omo de emma nimpa about 8 so far now almost see the issue no Accra nuanom no ede eba that means obi a nesene de ewom bia no ebeba nti abotre na ehia ewo sa akwanya eho no eso na ye boss so say emra no asesa from October nye ni nyina ba ebi nti wo ye application bia na wa hwe bebi a emra no asesa ekodu no wehu no bebi a wo de ebefa and then we are share switching from 10-year rule to 5-year rule. And the kind of ya tell us 5-year rule no ewo criteria as say we meet. 10-year rule no discretionary until under Gen 3.2 ni EX1 no exceptional circumstances no. The actually says we meet rules no do beto 5 no so na say uwo akwala bi and say parent bi na under article 8 no yentumi separate modia and ebetumi egina sa ehɔ no so na yama sa nipa no 10 na se ekoba se nipa no emiti condition rules no having been issued with 2.5 under the 10-year rule to Nidia obetumi aswitch manaye so who say afide we meet requirement no a nti as soon as we say we meet requirement no obetumi aswitch amanaye nti say ye dema wa na we meet requirement na you can switch to the 5 and make another application under the 5-year route no the can also say 10-year route visas na say leave na ye dema no obi o ma onya based on long residence and that's a private life no safo no and it has nothing to do with 5-year or 10-year. Automatically, you do 10-year and so. It is obi or long residence. Near many 2.5. So try 10 years. Nobody indefinite. Now what you say? I see it. Me switch many year. A half one in year and one asam and a head. Yeah. Until honey one bit.
Okay.
And say what's our situation in more. Now when meet requirement now, please don't hesitate. Quickly start application to switch from 10-year route to 5-year route. What we are saying is say, near time I was spending under 10, no, you cannot transfer to the 5. when you move to the 5-year route.
Okay. Abusia we adesua kese pa na megidi yese wani age ho megidi yese aboa megidi yese answer with questions no bebre megidi yenso so say so many other questions and concerns that you would want to put across. And unti me to nsa afro say any BWF solicitors in penny for any enkomo Omo juma Monday to Friday, free anopa 9:30, ekopem enyumre 6 o'clock. Was Seven Sisters, North London. For Emremun Sema who do nyina top property wa Ghana, maybe and I won't say sometimes some of the discussions and legal arguments across our Ghana and Parliament is the same idea. All these things you can bring them on this platform, and we'll have lawyers having time to explain all these for you. Sebana applications who do Home Office appeals any idea. Court na BWF Solicitors in the they start and others follow. Letters, any documents, any papers are influencing court decisions and Home Office decisions and guidelines. Lawyer Asmah say winning appeals they have started issuing some visas permits senior BWF Solicitors And when they give us this opportunity to come and listen to them and also share information and of course learn about these things, I expect the whole world to come and do that. Mekai will be say by the end of the year, will be our share so many times. No, me mamu nipa 3 will be £200 as a bonus and to say thank you. Inti Momodia say you share the page. We are live on BWF Solicitors Facebook page, live our BWF Solicitors YouTube page. And watch out in the next coming days, BW Radio will be coming on My Radio Share, on Radio Garden, on TuneIn, and of course on our Facebook page as well. Any platforms are Apple out in the Google Play Store and App Store so that you can download and keep it on your phone. BWF Solicitors is your trusted community partner when it comes to the law and communications as well. If I'm more cool, as that enko Emma Obibia or kind of na fe or de neho ebedom sir jumedi and many lawyer Charles Asmah and Edi Ijime lawyer bijinati for any ahwefo any clients who do madawase for your time and your commitment. Ebi also so me de asida Emma abusia wotaichire my studio manager Professor Ade and the technical crew and anyone who was Lawyer Richard, Lawyer Patrick, Uncle Ben, the main man, Lawyer Eunice, Afia, Beatrice, Sandra, is it Julian?
Deborah?
No,
Jennifer.
Jennifer. Debi obobume. Debi ni jeno nam dia koye Juliet. Jennifer. Ena afe mi wa Sheila Ankara and Padmo Dudu. Any UPPR or BWF Solicitors, Lord forcing the financial man and of course the Lord Mackenzie himself. Abusia for ha ena medemo ebesi. Nyame aduma same time next week on the same platform and with the able support of BWF Solicitors. Yade another edition of the community and the law at the Ebebro. Have a good week.
Yeah. Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Everybody say